ng aking morning motivation. Ayan. So, thank you so much once again to all the people po na nandiyan dyan po. Maraming salamat. So, today, the first thing is how to start. How to start. By the way, it's November 27 is 45 a.m. here in United Arab Emirates. And for the friends, family, colleagues who are actually celebrating this holiday season, so ilang araw na lang po ay magre-reminish na tayo ng ating Christmas season. Ayan, Christmas. So, thank you once again sa lahat ng nag-join. You don't need to send gifts or gifts. You don't need to follow or as you like kung ano pong gusto ninyo. But I'm going to share a daily motivation. So, medyo natagalan po tayo. Medyo tayo ng ilang araw. But here I am again. I'm going to share to you another motivation. By the way, my name is B. I am a soul affluencer. I share about mindfulness and also spreading love and positivity in our daily lives. So yes, I'm a certified certified mental health coach. Yes. And also an eventologist. So I will just now start. Thank you so much for those people who are here. Yes, mindfulness practice in the UAE and all over the world. So how to start? So how will you start? How I will start? So, flow is the ultimate form of mindfulness in action. In this state, you are completely engaged, distractions fall away, and you become one with the task at hand. So, paano ka nga ba magsisimula? I-engage mo yung sarili mo sa mga tasks which challenge you but within your skill level. Yan. So, i-challenge yourself sa pang-araw-araw. So, syempre, kung ano lang po yung kaya natin gawin. Yan. So, i-allow natin yourself natin, ang ating mga sarili to become fully absorbed sa activity. So, pagka may napili ka ng task na gagawin mo sa araw na yon, mag-engage tayo fully. So, ilagay natin yung heart natin doon sa ating ginagawa. And, mag-pay attention tayo to how time seems to pass effortless when you are in this state of flow. Practicing this can lead to a greater productivity, satisfaction, and deeper connection with your work. So ngayon po, especially doon sa mga papasok sa work, so paano ka nga ba nagsisimula? Hindi naman sinabing magsisimula ka, okay, I will start my day, nawala kang sa mind mo. So, I start my day by being grateful na gumising ako sa umaga. Yan. And also, a sip of, this is not a coffee, this is a hot drink. Kasi it's getting cold here in the UAE. So, that's how you will start. Next is, take a digital break. I know na ngayon sa ating mga kinaroroonan, we are very attached to our gadget, sa mga phones, especially napakadami na ng mga applications and all. So take a digital break. This is very, very important. So mindfully stepping away from your digital devices like your phone, laptop, or your iPad for a short period of time. Yan. So, take a digital break. Maging mindful tayo kung paano natin gagamitin yung ating mga gadgets. So, hindi naman sinabing you stop, but take a digital break. Short period, like When you go to the washroom, you go, you drive, you don't use your gadget, you don't use your phone when you are driving. So that's very important. Lalo dito sa United Arab Emirates, using phone while driving is very, very, no, ayan, di ba? So yes, mag-step away tayo from our digital devices for short periods throughout the day. It allows us to feel more focused and centered when we reconnect. So, paminsan-minsan lang po yung tayo ay magdi-disconnect. Yan. So, kailangan yon na hindi yung pagising natin sa umaga ay cellphone kaagad, tinitingnan natin kung sino ba yung mga naka-live. Yan. So, paano ba natin yung gagawin? Ano? Take a digital break. Mahirap po yung gawin kasi dyan tayo kasama na sa ating daily lives. So, take 2 or 3 mini digital breaks. So, we are not saying take a whole day break from your digital gadgets. Very important yan. So, take 2 or 3 mini digital breaks during your work days. Each lasting about 5 or if you can, 10 minutes. If you're new to this practice, start with just one break. Okay, so example, you are taking your washroom break, if you are taking your lunch break, so try na wag mag-gadget. Malaking tulong yun. So, you can start by 5 minutes lang to 10 minutes a day mag-take kayo ng break sa inyong digital world or mag-digital break tayo. So, during this time, engage in a non-digital activity such as reading books, taking a walk, or practicing a hobby. Pay attention to how stepping away from your devices impacts your focus, moods, and energy level when you return. So, take a digital break. Very important. Medyo mahirap pero very important. Sorry, ayan. Nag-aano yung aking labi. It's getting cold now. And then, we need to awaken with gratitude. We need to wake up each and every day that we are so grateful. Ano ka nga? Bakit or what makes you grateful pagising mo sa umaga? Okay, when we begin the day with gratitude, we train our minds. Okay, we train our minds to seek the positive to seek the positivity, letting go of the challenges, letting go of the negativity, frustrations, and slights we've encountered throughout the past week. Okay, so how you will start to awaken your gratitude? It's very simple. Start each day by reflecting on at least 3 things, big or small, that you are grateful for. Feel the warmth and joy these thoughts bring, allowing them to uplift your spirit. Take a few breaths to center yourself and carry this sense of gratitude into your day, noticing how it shifts your perspective and enhance your well-being. So, those are the 3 things that we need to practice today, November 27. So, paano ka magsisimula? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng daily task. Diba? Kaya nga tayo nagle-ledger. Ayan. Mag-daily task tayo. Ano ba yung dapat natin gawin on this day? Ano yung unahin natin gawin? So, I've discussed that. I've mentioned that. I've shared that sa mga previous kong mga live and also sa mga videos ko dito sa TikTok. And then we need to have a digital break. When you say digital break, hindi mo naman kailangan na mag-break talaga ng one whole day na not using your phone, not using your laptop, not using your iPad. So, you can start by 5 minutes of your time only na mag-digital break ka. And then, you need to have this gratitude when you wake up in the morning. So, this is very, very important for me. yung kailangan grateful tayo everyday. So again, awaken with gratitude. When we begin the day, with gratitude, we train our minds to seek the positive, letting go of the challenges, frustrations, and slights we've encountered throughout the week, okay, for the past week. And then, take a digital break, mindfully stepping away from your digital devices for short periods throughout the day allows you to feel more focused and centered when you reconnect. And lastly, how do I start? So, engage in a task that challenge you but are within your skill level, allowing yourself to become fully absorbed in the activity. Pay attention to how time seems to pass effortless when you are in state of flow. Practicing this can lead to greater productivity, satisfaction, and deeper connection with your work. Yes, that's our motivation for today. So, this helps me actually. Okay, and also I have a positive capsule. No, what is this? I have this positive capsule with me, so you can start. No, yes. Okay, so I'm not really using it, the positive capsule right now. So this is my daily dose of self-care. So I'm focusing on how to boost my mindfulness, state of mind, o diba? So, very important yan. Again, it's November 27 po ngayon, and malapit na po ang celebration ng Kapaskuhan. So, yes, let's celebrate. Thank you so much again sa mga viewers natin. I have 23 viewers. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is not your typical kind of live na gusto nyo puntahan, but I'm focusing on sharing positivity, spreading love, and mindfulness to enhance our daily routine with mindfulness, ayan, and also positivity. Yes. So, thank you again. Thank you again for joining me this morning, November 27. It's around 7 plus a.m. in the morning. So, I hope that everybody will have a great day ahead. Good luck sa mga work ninyo. And, yes, keep spreading love and positivity sa inyong pang-araw-araw, sa inyong gawain ngayon. So, medyo malamig na, take care of yourself. So, and I will not take long in this live because I just want to share 3 things today. How to start, take a digital break, and awaken with gratitude. So, thank you so much. Hi, Bro Pops! How are you? Magandang umaga po. Yes, so I discussed awaken with gratitude, take digital break, and how or papaano nga ba ako magsimula. So again, i-recap ko lang. I'll make this short. So awaken with gratitude, start each day by reflecting on at least 3 things, big or small. Ano ba yung tayo ay grateful ngayong araw na ito? Ayan. So, feel the warmth and joy these thoughts brings, those 3 things na you are grateful ngayong umaga na to. Okay, so mamaya ulit pag-uwi natin, ask ourselves, ano ba yung grateful tayo pagkatapos natin mag-work or ang ating task sa araw na to. So, i-allow natin yung ating sarili na i-flip yung ating spirit by being grateful for today. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and carry this sense of gratitude into your day, noticing how it shapes your perspective and enhance your well-being. Another one is very important. Paulit-ulit ko po itong sinasabi, and I am actually sharing this in my presentations at saka pagka meron tayong nawa one-on-one, take a digital break. Okay? Take a digital break. Take 2 or 3 mini digital breaks during your work day or your day. Each lasting about 5 or 10 minutes. Pagka simula, if you're just starting to do this routine, you can start by 5 minutes taking a digital break. So, if you're new, yun nga, you can start by 5. O medyo mahirap po yung 5. O take 3 minutes na lang. Okay? So, during this time, engage a non-digital activity such as do things that you are enjoying doing, reading books, maglakad-lakad, or i-practice natin yung hobby natin. 3 minutes na lang yan Pay attention to how stepping away from your devices impacts your focus, mood, and energy level when you return. Ayan. So, konting break lang. Ayan. Lakad muna ako sa park. O, pag naglakad tayo sa park, huwag naman tayo naka-cellphone pa rin tayo, no? Wag. So, ayan. So, paano mo nga ba yan sisimulan? Engage in a task that challenge you but are within your skill level. Allowing yourself to become fully absorbed in the activity. Pay attention to how time seems to pass effortless when you are in the state of flow. Practicing this can lead to greater productivity, satisfaction, and deeper connection with your work. Yes, so, ayan lamang po for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Parang tinatamad kasi akong mag-edit ngayon. So, I'll just do my live. So, thank you so much. Again, it's November 27. Have a blessed day, everybody. And great day ahead of everyone, each one of us. God bless and keep spreading love and positivity.